With Mikel, there's been a few headlines. Is he still on the schedule that was set for him? And would you be tempted to try and speed him back because of those problems you got with other injuries?
Well, I don't know. When you have a long-term injury, what is faster? You know, in a 10-day injury, 3 days is a lot because it's 30%. In 3 months, a week probably is not that much, but it's too early. You know, it's in a early stage of the rehab. When we get a little bit closer and he starts to do more demanding and stuff and more load, we will see where he is.
But just to clarify quickly, there's no setback.
No. He's fine.
And just finally on injuries.
All right, so Arteta has confirmed that there's no setback with Bukayo Saka, but here's where it becomes interesting. The timeline of March, it was the Sun that brought out that timeline, that Saka is going to be available to play in the first week of March 9, to play against Manchester United. The Sun came out again and said that timeline is a bit skewed because Saka will stay till April. Now, they were interviewing Mikel Artets said Saka has no setback. Now, I was expecting the journalist to ask a follow-up question. If Saka has no setback, please, what is the timeline for him to come back? Because Arsenal has not told us any timeline. So, for now, we are still going to wait because everything we know in the media was what the Sun told us. That Saka will be back March. The same the Sun came and said, okay, not March again. Saka will be back April. So, let's just watch. Let's just see how everything goes.